we talk about how can you enable read receipts on your Viber app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here. You just click on more. So then it's going, when you click on more, it's going to take you to this list here. Until we found here settings, you just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on privacy here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on online status and read receipts. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list until we found here read receipts. Click on off. Then it's going to disable with you here read receipts on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.